Block 1. Erling Haaland. Spanish media calls him La Máquina, the machine. Not a translation of his name, a description of what he does. Score after score, no emotion, no stopping. He's also been called El Androide, the android, and El Robot for the same reason. He doesn't play like a human, he plays like a machine. But when Haaland himself was asked which nickname he actually likes best, he didn't pick any of those. His answer was Terminator. In his own words, brutal, and it fits him.
Block 2. Kylian Mbappé. In the Paris locker room, teammates call him Tortuga Ninja, Ninja Turtle, specifically Donatello. It started because of how he moves with the ball, fast, sharp, almost cartoonish control. His former captain even gave him a Donatello mask as a joke, and the nickname stuck. After a hat trick, teammates gave him a new one, Pingüino, Penguin, and Neymar himself has called him Golden Boy for the potential everyone saw in him early.
Block 3. Messi. His nickname goes back to childhood. La Pulga, the flea. His older brothers called him La Pulguita, little flea, because he was the smallest kid on the pitch, but impossible to catch. The nickname stuck for life. Later, after his explosive performances for Barcelona, Spanish media upgraded it. La Pulga Atómica, the atomic flea, small but impossible to stop.
3 players, 3 nicknames that have nothing to do with their real names. La Máquina, Tortuga Ninja, La Pulga. Now you'll actually understand what Spanish commentators are talking about. Subscribe for more real Spanish straight from the game.